Alright, welcome to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to quickly strip down the Star PD Chamber 45 ACP. I just want to polish the barrel and the feed ramp and everything on it. So we'll get started with quickly stripping the gun. So just to make sure there's no mag and there's no round in the chamber. So in order to release the slide, we're going to pull the slide back until the line up on the slide cut is lined up with your slide stop, and then we'll press the slide stop out. So first off, let's get that done. Okay, then secondly, we'll want to release the barrel and the buffer and slide spring. So we do that by rotating the buffer out. Like so. And to release the barrel, we're going to turn the barrel bushing anti-clockwise and pull straight out, and the barrel will come out the front like so. Just move all of this parts out of the way quickly and get my Dremel ready. Right, so I'm only going to focus on the visible parts of the barrel at this stage. Just want it nice and clean so that when it shows through the ejection port of the gun, this is all nice and smooth and clean. And then obviously the feed ramp on the bottom of the barrel. This eliminates the risk of any unnecessary jams or anything of the such. So we're just letting the lubricant and oil that I've put on the barrel just settle quickly. Yeah, 2 pours, 1 rod weld. One sec, I'll put it back together quick and show you how to get it out. So what we'll want to do is, looking at the front of the gun, you're going to turn the barrel block anti-clockwise and pull it straight towards you. Right, so we'll get started quickly with the Dremel. I've just got a buffer plate on here, and we're just going to quickly run it. I just want to release as much of the dirt as possible, so I'll switch my bits quickly. Right, so it's important to remember that when you're doing this, it's not to press too hard on it. We don't want to hurt any of the metal. It's literally just to buff and make it nice and shiny and clean. So don't press too hard. Right, so we've polished it out, we've buffed it, it's looking nice and shiny. Just want to grab a cloth and we can quickly just wipe off the oil. Right, so now that we've successfully polished the part that I wanted to polish on this, in a later episode we'll strip down the chassis of the gun and do the hammer and trigger, which still need to be polished on this gun, and the rest of the feed ramp right over here. Right, so we'll put the slide back together with the barrel in. So what we're going to want to do is the reverse of taking it out, slide it in, and the barrel block goes in and turns clockwise. Then the buffer and spring, like so. And the slide will slide back on through the guards, like so. And again, we're going to want to line everything up. And there will be the hole, if you look right through there, is that part over there, which the slide stop needs to slide through in order to secure the barrel in place. And it will click back into place. And you can see that this is now nice and shiny and clean and looking really, really good. So we'll just wipe off the gun quickly with a cloth. You can see the difference it's made. And that's job done. Thanks for joining. Watch. I'll obviously save this live for everybody that couldn't make it. And we hope to do a few more of these in the future. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and if you have any specific questions on the Star PD, happy to reach out and let me know. And we'll do a video on that. Thanks very much.